In many modern pagan traditions, amulets must be consecrated before their use. We do this because of two main reasons. 1. It cleanses and purifies the amulet, removing any residual energies from whoever handled it before you. 2. It activates its power so it can interact and communicate with the divine. This is especially useful if you don't know who owned the amulet before you, or if the person who sold it to you was in contact with it, unintentionally passing their energies, good and bad. This ritual works just like the consecration of your tools. It's a small ceremony in which you invite the object to become part of your identity and your spiritual path. The preparation of a sacred space is important. You will need a quiet place, an altar or table, and enough time to perform this ceremony without rushing it. Think clearly about the reason why you want to consecrate this talisman or amulet. What is it that you want to bring to your life? It's a good idea to write it down, even if it's just a line or two on a piece of paper. You will need 1 white candle, 1 glass of water or your chalice, 1 small bowl of salt, 1 incense stick. Each ingredient corresponds to one of the cardinal elements and directions. Using a compass, find out where north is. Place each object of your altar facing their corresponding directions. The salt represents earth and faces north. The incense represents air and faces east. The candle represents fire and faces south. The chalice with water represents water and faces west. Place your amulet in the center. Light the candle and incense. Take 3 deep breaths. And again. And number 3. Now take the object you want to consecrate in your hands and place it close to your heart. Face north and say the following chant. Powers of the north, guardians of the earth, consecrate this amulet and charge it with your energies. I bless and declare this amulet a sacred tool. Turn to the east, and while holding the amulet, say, Powers of the East, guardians of the air, consecrate this amulet and charge it with your energies. I bless and declare this amulet a sacred tool. Turn to the south and chant, Powers of the South, guardians of the fire, consecrate this amulet and charge it with your energies. I bless and declare this amulet a sacred tool. Finally, turn to the west. Chant, powers of the west, guardians of the water, consecrate this amulet and charge it with your energies. I bless and declare this amulet a sacred tool. Hold the amulet up in the air and say, I bless this amulet in the name of the goddess under the sun, the moon, and the stars. For the power of fire, air, water, and earth, all previous energies are cleared away. From the north, east, south, and west, its power is mine, I declare. Read out loud or state the purpose of your amulet. Wear the amulet or carry it with you, and don't take it off for the next 5 days. Carry the amulet in a pocket, a wallet, as a bracelet, pendant, necklace, keychain, or in other ways that you can think of. It is now a sacred piece of jewellery that will help you attract what you want. Never doubt its power. If, after wearing it for some time, you don't feel comfortable wearing it, try doing the consecration again. You can make an amulet or talisman from any object that you can carry with you. It could be a ring, a stuffed animal, a coin, a prayer card, even a piece of paper. However, the more the meaning the object has, the stronger its power will be. It's best to create an amulet using something that has real value to you, and that you can understand its meaning and symbolism.